doing?
Huh?
Twin Turbo. Two of them bitches on, huh?
Hey, my name's Chris Diehlman.
Hey, none of us got
Hey.
I didn't wear a shirt either, right?
How does it look?
I didn't either. Oh, yeah. Whatever. A cream pie of some sort. Disgusting. Damn, bro.
Huh?
Got a legit battery holder in your arm, This one's full race car, eh? For all you wondering, this is a Pro Mod.
Oh yeah, we're recording right now.
Fiberglass.
We're recording right now. Hey, easy. You might crack it. This is my 1973 Camaro. Named the Pigeon. It's got a 481X twin. Yeah, Pigeon. It's got twin Pro chargers. Got a turbo 350 transmission.
Hey, did you ever come through on those,
Thanks, man.
on the plugs?
Hey, man, thanks. Hey, man, yeah, thanks.
It's my sponsor.
Yeah, doing
One
more
of
than
many. We have LaRue tuning.
This is a dove. It's like 1073 or
Call this,
1073.
we call this the Dove.
The Dove.
Call this the Dove. Ow, fuck. It's hot. Doves bite.
Old flock of seagulls.
Call it a pelican. It's got a big beak like the owner.
He's right, you do have a big head though.
Me?
Yeah.
It's the fucking side angle. I got like a sideways Hey Arnold.
I think it's got a Hey Arnold. That's like a football, man.
That's what Hey Arnold has.
Look, stop what you're doing. Take one off.
You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. And then I'm keeping these old ones.
That's
I'm
why you
keeping
keep
them old
them
ones for
around.
backups. Because you ain't throwing away $10.
You ain't got no money with you. McLovin done took all your money, so.
I know.
I'm
Now I
gonna
gotta
let you do this.
I can't even fucking.
Tell him I am
And the funny
McLovin.
part, I can't even pay Matt today. So
You just did pay Matt right there, dude. Sit on the table.
let's start a live interview today.
I was gonna do what I wanted to do anyway, but you guys just.
My name.
Especially Matt.
My name.
I'm just gonna start putting the camera on Matt, and he's not gonna fucking.
Dude, Matt would be.
He
Matt's-
would when he sits here, especially if he has two beers.
he sit- Two beers. Starts
You can tell he
making fun
gets
of.
like the.
Starts making fun of everybody's shit.
Yep. Peacocking.
Uh-oh. Who's this? Oh, fuck. Damn. I got no chance.
That's Brett.
Damn, that's a beast. Let's fucking...
Learn how to check.
Hey, deals. What the fuck? I just did these. What the? I got a hit on Walt's dyno and we maxed it out. So we're just gonna start doing half throttle pulls pretty much for the rest of the night. Pretty much it should sound like Glenn's car does. Oh fuck. We're over here at Walt's House of Games.
Give me a hammer, I need to fix this. I don't know, dude, you're never serious.
Huh?
You're never serious.
I'm not a serious person. If I'm being serious, I'm in a bad way. Or I'm trying to sell
Oh, like the other day I went to the shop and he goes, oh man, you really want to do this today? Because I'm really not in the mood for it.
Oh, you're recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
He's like, I'm really not in the mood to do it today. It's like, all right, well, good to see you too. First thing he does when I walk in.
My bad. This block is actually out of a 2010 Silverado 5.3 aluminum. Is it 10 or 11?
Does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter. But anyways, it's a stock aluminum 5.3 block, stock heads, unported or anything, and
Stock twin turbos as well, those come factory.
yeah, these are out of the box Borg S366s. Nothing's really impressive on this car except motor-wise. It's got a cool intake manifold, but it's got a BTR Stage 3 cam.
Polish it out, Mr. Detail guy.
I should polish it, but then I gotta keep up with it.
Other than small block, I've never seen this car dirty.
Yo, Small Block lives on this car.
Yeah,
It's
there's
there.
little cat prints all over it. I mean, he's cool, but one incident with cat piss, and I'm taking his head off.
We got stock ZL1 exhaust manifolds on it. They really are stock rockers.
Dude, I just realized that. I never paid attention.
They are good.
I've never paid attention to saw that you actually legitimately have stock headers.
Yeah. With some eBay stainless tubing.
That is fun. Dude, no wonder it doesn't sound as loud as it could.
That's horrible. That's me.
I mean, I didn't. It wasn't.
No, but the last time we were at the track, we finally turned it up a little bit. It's like 18 pounds, and it started dipping, losing boost, dropping like 15, 16, looking like this on the data. And so we did a smoke test on it, and it had the V-bands on the cold side were leaking. So fixed them. We checked all the CO2 lines, went through all that. We thought it'd be good, so we figured we'd throw it on the dyno to make sure the issue's gone before I go to the track tomorrow and waste my time. And it's still there. So we have a really good idea what it is now. It's actually fuel related. Let's see what it does. But I just want to hear this car actually scream for once. We've been shifting at 6,700 at the track on 18 pounds. This thing's not even trying. Got no timing in it. I'm ready to hear this thing sing.